Hey guys, my name is Logan. This is my 2015 WRX. It's currently black, but I'm hoping to change that over the next, hopefully week or so. Don't want it to take too long. I wasn't actually gonna start wrapping today, but I ended up getting all the stuff, all the prep that I wanted to get done, like rearranging the garage and getting lights up and everything so I can see. I ended up getting that done a little early, so I figured I would go ahead and start. I've been sitting on the wrap for a couple days now. Been itching to get started. So far I've taken the hood scoop off, broke a couple pop clips, lost a bolt in the engine there, but hopefully I can find that sometime soon. The car's not going anywhere for the time being, so it's not a big deal. Got my little wrap kit here, picked up from Amazon. Put the link in the description for that if you want to check it out. It's got some pretty cool tools, some squeegees and stuff. This is my first time ever wrapping a car, so hopefully it turns out okay. I'm a little nervous. Don't want to waste all the money I spent on the wrap. As you can see here, I took the shark fin off. Had to climb up in the car. And I don't know if you can see with the lighting and whatnot. I'm not too, yeah, you can't really see, but I had to take some of the trim off and peel the liner off up there to unscrew it and unplug it. But that was the antenna. It's actually right over here. That was a little screw that was in there. Just had to twist that off and then unplug the clip there, and that just popped right off. There's my hood scoop laying there. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap the car in, well, hopefully wrap the car in 3M 2080, and this is the black rose. See if I can get the light to hit it right here. New to all this camera stuff, so lighting's not gonna be very good. Audio is probably not gonna be very good. I don't have much gear right now. But who knows, maybe I'll enjoy it and make some more videos. Have a tripod set up. I'm gonna try to get a little time lapse of most of the wrap. Tonight I'm just gonna do the roof there, just because it's, I think, probably the easiest little surface to wrap. It's pretty square, flat, once you take that shark fin off. Took the trim off here as well, just a couple clips and then some sliders to pop it out of those, but that's off, so I'll be able to tuck it in and around this area. Hopefully you won't be able to see any creases or anything. Thanks to my parents for lending me some equipment. I got some nice extension cords. My mom's into photography, so she lent me a bunch of these lights I could use to kind of light up the garage a little bit, because really only working with these two overhead lights here. Everything else is dark, so that wouldn't have been very easy. As you can see here, I got my fiance chilling in the garage with me. She's the one parking out in the driveway in the snow. It's winter right now. I got my little garage dog. His name's Titan. I don't know what he's licking right now. He's got his little bone. He's having a good time. Let's see. I've got a few mods on the car so far. I'm not going to get into those right now. Maybe I can save that for another video. Nothing crazy. Just some minor stuff. Just got the car back in August of 2020. So yeah, it's only been a few months. Stick around if you want to see me wrap my 2015 WRX. I'm going to set the camera up on the tripod and hopefully get a good video at this for you guys. I ran into a little issue here. And like I said, it's my first time ever wrapping a car. So I'm not sure exactly why. I don't think the camera got the moment that this happened. But something I did just completely tore the wrap in that spot. I'm pretty sure there was a crease here and I was trying to lift up the wrap to pass the crease so I could use the heat gun and try to repair the wrap. And as I was lifting, it just tore up and completely ripped the wrap right here. So this is unfortunately now too short. I've tried to mess around with it to try to get it to cover the whole thing by moving that side over a little bit, but it's not, I don't think it's salvageable. So I guess I wasted this piece of wrap, which means I'm probably gonna have to buy more eventually, but hey, I'm learning, and I'll do some research on trying to figure out why that happened. So I've never seen that, but I've watched a lot of YouTube videos and they never talked about the wrap just completely ripping. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna keep going tonight or take a break. It's kind of late. I gotta get up for work tomorrow. So yeah, the part that I got on before I started ripping everything back up, trying to rearrange it, I think turned out pretty well. This is the hole. If you can see that from where the antenna was, the shark fin antenna. Everything else seemed like it was going okay. I don't know. Okay, it's currently the next day now. I decided to go ahead and give it another shot last night. I was really tired, but Kaylin kind of convinced me to not give up and try to end on a good note, because after it ripped yesterday, it was honestly pretty disappointing. I felt kind of down because I really didn't want to waste. It was about 67 inches, 5 feet by 67 inches of wrap that I had to throw away because it ripped right here. But as you can see, with a little help from Kaylin, we were able to successfully lay down the roof wrap, and I put all the trim back in. It's looking pretty good. You can kind of see the color a little bit with the natural daylight coming in. Really happy with how it turned out. There's a few minor imperfections, like I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up on it, but I don't know. Like little creases, little wrinkles that I couldn't get out, but they're all pretty much hidden by the trim. They're all kind of in the cracks and corners. I was able to tuck the vinyl wrap kind of behind the rubber trim there on the windshield and the back windshield as well. Yeah, I really like the color. We actually, well, not we, I see the wrap comes with a clear kind of plastic film to protect it, and I knew that, but I got it all laid down, started squeegeeing, and we noticed some pretty bad like scratches pretty much, and couldn't figure out why my squeegee was leaving scratches and whatnot. And turns out I just completely forgot to take off that plastic film. And it wasn't the wrap that was actually scratching, it was just that cheap plastic protective film over top of it. So luckily, once I took that off, the wrap itself looked pretty much perfect. The color looked amazing, it wasn't dull anymore, I was really happy with it. The shark fin there was pretty difficult to put back on. Had to reach up under the roof lining, but got it all back on and really happy with the results. I'll try to get some pictures and whatnot posted on my Instagram of like a little bit better quality to show the color and whatnot, but some good lighting right there. But yeah, plans for today, probably I'm gonna try to start on the hood. Pretty nervous, but yeah, that'll be the next video is wrapping the hood. I took the hood scoop out last night just because it's gonna be a lot easier to wrap the hood as one piece and then the hood scoop as another here. So yeah, thanks for watching the video and hope it was enjoyable, and I'll see you in the next one.